Hello friends, welcome to the method trading and we can see that uh, I have made a positions over here in the bank Nifty. I'm expecting that market will recover from the gap down opening. The idea is is that after the opening you can see that bank Nifty were recovering very fast and Nifty were also supporting this momentum. So I thought that go for these positions. Go for this trade. Let's see. I mean, how this trade is going to perform today. So, is it going for SL or what? I have more than 15 point down in this, and you can see here the party started. It's not going well. It's okay. Sometimes we'll have the losses and profit in the market. So actually, I have taken this trade against the trend. That's why maybe I'm experiencing. I mean, sort of downfall in this trade. Let's see how this reacting. If this premium goes above 100, this will be in the safe zone. Otherwise, it's in the preparing for the SL, right? So let's see. So we can see that buyers are fighting with the market to bring market up, but still it's struggling. To be in the positive territory. We will wait. We will have to wait because we will wait, and we have I kept a strict SL over there to see if anything, suppose anything goes against us. So of course we are ready for that also. And also again we can see this. This sell off and my SL is not. More than 10 points from here, so it will be difficult, right? Again, this is market, and it cannot be work. It cannot work according to you. So it is best things that if you respect the market decisions. Of course, you have a right to think. You have a right to, plan your trade and find your best setup for the trading. Everything's in your hand, but when you keep trading the market, it's market decision. It's market right, and do not go against the market. If you are in the loss and again you are fighting with the market for your profit, so something. This is something serious bad habit that traders, newcomers, exercise in the market, and because of that, you will have to pay the higher brokerage, and also at the same time, you will be facing the big losses. So these are the things you will have the experience if you, going against the market. or any behavior that is, you are exercising which is not, supported by market. So after that, downfall, we can see somehow, recovery in this bank Nifty. But still, we are not in safer zone, because if it is cross the 100 mark, then only we will be in the safer zone. Otherwise, it's a risky, because only 20 point down from here. Our SL is set up there, and let's see if it is cross 100, then we can expect that there will be a good momentum in the upside. Again, many people were not expecting the bull trade today, but as looking at that, as per the trends, I go with this trade. It's not my plan, something else, right? The what's the trend is saying, I have executed that, and let's see how this trade is working here, and this will be very much important to see this. Bank Nifty is higher, the more volatile than the Nifty. So if you are working without SL in the Bank Nifty, so it will be really, dangerous exercise for your capital. So always try to keep SLs if you are working in the Bank Nifty, because in a minute you can see the 100 point movement of upper side and downside. Even 200 momentum, 200 point momentum is also possible. So let's see, again we are, facing that, issues. Market look like that again it will going to it. But if you this see the shape of this third candle in the Bank Nifty and Nifty, it's indicating that there possibility of the upside momentum, right? So Bank Nifty signal it very early than the Nifty, because if you see the continuous two candles in the Bank Nifty were the bearish candle, but the Bank Nifty, if you see the second candle itself try to cross this, try to be in the bullish body, but again the sellers started keeping down it, and it was a very small body that in inverted kind of hammer, you can say the bull hammer. And after that we can see this, the third candle is like it's a, very good bullish candle, it's a bigger body. And also you can see that in the Nifty, third candle is with the bigger body candle, and it's indicating that there's possibility of the, reversal of the market. Let's say we can see that the market after this recovering almost 110 point from there in the premium, again it's going down, and also in the premium Nifty is holding itself, but Bank Nifty is going down, it's not holding. So it shows that the Bank Nifty is more volatile today than compared to Nifty, because if you'll see this buyers in Nifty holding this market, right, while the Bank Nifty is, facing difficulties, lots of issues in the holding its higher level, like more than 46,150. Let's see, how this both. So we can see this Bank Nifty is trying to, cross the previous bullish candle, So this will be interesting to see if the Nifty started going up than the previous bullish candle. So this will be a good signal from upside market, bull market. If it don't goes there, of course, this will be the sideways market signal, or the volatile market possibility will be higher. Let's see how this candle is getting formed, and we will see that. One more thing, if you see this VIX is increased today, so it's almost 3.5% up. This shows the volatility in the market. So many SL will trigger today because of the higher VIX. So whenever VIX is higher, it's not in the favor of buyers, traders. So most of the time when VIX is higher, you will face the multiple S's in the market, and whenever VIX is lower, you will face the lower SLs in the market. Means whenever you will keep SLs, the market will did not get easily a reversal when the VIX is at the lower positions, negative, working in the negative dimension. But when the VIX is working in the positive dimension like 3.5%, of course there will be volatility in the market. And yes, if VIX is 1% down or 1% up, working in I mean range of the 1%, bullish or bearish, this do not affect that much, as it impact like 3.5%, 4.5 or 6% VIX, shows that volatility is higher in the market. So friends, we can see that after this market did not hold itself, and it's trying to go down, and bank nifty signaling it that it can possibility is that this will be the going to take my SL over here, because bank nifty is getting sharply down and nifty also not holding this area, right? Even after the brilliant effort, nifty is not able to hold this, bullish attempt. So it's showing that the negative momentum in the market right now. Let's see how this behaving in the next coming candle. This will be very much important to see that this candle formations is, many people called it, inside candle, mini candle, micro candle. The concept is that it's formed, in between this candle, right? If you see, the full candle is formed in within this candle, so this is called the mini candle, inside candles, and this signals that momentum in the market, right? Because whenever you will see this after this uh, bullish or bearish candle, if the market is holding in this territory, means less than the 50% of the previous candle, it shows that the momentum will become, the momentum will continue in the market. Like if the market, if this previous candle is the bullish candle, and after that we have witnessed the inside candles, so there is a possibility that market will go up. And if this is the bearish candle and there is an inside candle, there is a higher possibility that market will go down sharply. This is also sign of a momentum in the market, right? Because buyers or sellers are holding themselves at this particular candle. So this is a good signal for the, intraday traders. Like if you will work, on the setup of the inside candle, you will get the more insight of this candle. Because see, whenever there is a theory of something and practicality of something, that's completely different things, right? Whenever you will experience this candle, you will work to trade on this candle, and you will look this candle of the completements of the trading hours. So this, that is the complete chart. you know Looking at complete charts, that will look more easy than the working in the live market, because live market is like, completely different scenario compared to the explaining the or looking at the completed day chart or the hourly chart or whatever chart. If chart is completed, that is different things, but if you are working in the live market, that is completely different thing. So we can see this after a good attempt. Nifty is not holding its, I mean bullish momentum here, and it's slightly getting sold off at this, I mean 20,170 points. So there is resistance at this level, that is 20,170. If you see that previous day market have, worked lot at this particular area. So this stage is very much important. Will market hold it or get sold off? We'll see this. Let's see how this working. So even after this, even after the good attempt to, recover from here, you can see that market is not holding itself and look like it's going for my SL right now. Oh, this is the good sign of this, SL consuming market, right? So I have kept my SL like that. Okay, let's see. Down, down, too much down, and we can see friends here the SL is about to hit. So my SL is taken by market. Almost, almost there, and you can see that. But this is the good sign of this. So I have made another positions looking at this scenario. This logic is behind this another trade. It's simply that even this good attempt market is not holding itself, and it shows that there is a possibility that market will sharply go down. So with this logic, I made another positions right after the SLs. Generally, I don't prefer to have the trade on right after the SL, but as I'm looking, momentum in the market right now. So if Nifty don't support this bearish market, so it will be a difficult for the market, right? So let's see. Nifty is going up, Bank Nifty is going down. So there is no relation between both indexes. So this shows that there is a, confusion between this. Okay, so what should I do? Should I exit or not? Because this is a completely wrong trade if this happen, right? If this happen, this will be a complete wrong trade. Again, almost 10 point done in this, and you can see that. So I have exited this trade, and I am in the, I would like to go sit 20,100 Nifty, see that. So I would like to go with the 500 possible right now. Possible. 250 possible. Not possible. So 150 is possible. So you can see friends that third this is my third trade, and I have taken this because you can see that Bank Nifty is getting momentum over here. Bank Nifty taken my first sale. After that, I was expecting looking at this candle there will be downside momentum, but again it's started reversing from there. So I exited that trade quickly, and after that I as Bank Nifty is confused right now. So I have taken trade in this Nifty, right? So let's see how the Nifty is responding to my trades, and we can see this. I'm in a small, I'm in profit right now, even just after entering in the market. So Nifty is showing good momentum today, while Bank Nifty looks in the sideways moment. Again, Bank Nifty also come into the picture here, and you can see that Bank Nifty is, started performing, but the Nifty is in good mood today. So we can see this. I have almost, 1,000 rupees profit. So I was actually expecting this trending market today. So almost my first SL recover. So recovery is not a good idea, but as I'm looking at profit, I'm saying that. So we can see this, and it is a good entry, friends. And almost will go for this at least 160, 170 target in this premium, not less than that. Let's see how this trade is. Responding. You can see there's I quickly left this trade, second trade, because I was looking that the market is getting reversed, and Nifty started reversing from there. So I thought that it will be a good idea to get out of that trade, and I just leave that trade. And looking at the chart, entered in this Nifty. Let's see how this Nifty trade is responding. So I will not try to take loss in this trade. So we'll try to exit if the profit started convert into losses, because I have already lost in two trades, so I'm not considering loss in this trade. So let's see how this trade is. So we can see, friends, that after that we have a one bearish candle over there. Like, let's see how this. Still, if you'll find that today bank Nifty is still not working. Let's see. Just like bank Nifty is still in the sideways zone, and this premium, is still at the 93 rupees only. So sometimes this performs, sometimes this performs. If you see that Nifty is going, brilliantly up, but the bank Nifty is still not performing. So this is what happen in trading. If you have experience, if you keep learning in the market, will experience these things, right? So Nifty has given the breakout over here, but Bank Nifty is still in this working in this range market, right? Still market is 14 points away from this sturdy bullish mark. So if market will get that 40% Nifty, and Bank Nifty is in 75 points down. So if it is gauge that point, so there will be a good sign of that their bullish momentum will come in the market. Let's say. So you can see that the way it's started, it's not performing. It's taking more time. So whenever your trades more taking more time, so must be there is a thinking that either market is start. It's something going against you, or you need to be careful about that trade if something happening like this, right? So let's see. We will wait for this, and we will not go for the loss in this trade as per this risk reward and money management, because you had lost in already two trades. So we are not considering loss in this trade. And we can see that buying Nifty is trying to give the breakout here. Let's see how this performing here. If the bank Nifty performs well, so there will be a good chance of the momentum in the market. If it don't performs well, so of course things will be difficult for the bull market. You can see here again it started going down and about to what happens again in this market. I don't know, but I have to exit this trade right now, right away from. I mean, what? Why it is so? Something happened to the market and it's not, not responding well, or because of the high volatility. Only 15 point down, and it's almost taken my 10, 15 point profit. So you can see that how volatile market is today. And when your first trade goes wrong, right? So it's very difficult to be in the profit. I mean, understand market that day, right? Because something from the beginning not going in your favor. So one should be careful about that. If your first trade goes wrong, so you should think about that the other, days you should be careful about the date that day. So today first trade taken ASL and after that we are struggling over here to make some profit. I'm expecting trending market, so that's why I have taken third trade. Otherwise, I don't consider third trade in the morning. Let's see how this Mr. Market is acting. You can see, friends, witness the volatility, the height of volatility here. So in a single candle, it's almost 15 point down from right this point below, and just have taken reversal from there. So this is how the market volatility works. So, I mean, it's very difficult to manage and control your emotions and uh, keep your psychology intact in this setup market. I mean, in share market, right? So often you will see that you're losing your psychology over here, and most dangerous thing is that whenever you lose your psychology, you will just attack your own capital, right? So you hurt your own capital. So try to be, work with this low contract quantity. So even this loss happen, you are not going to damage your capital much, right? So that is very much important. Let's say Mr. Market. So the way it has recovered is showing the strength in the market. But again, if you don't book and close your terminal trading terminal for the day, you cannot consider this even in profit, right? So only, I mean, market to market is there is a difference between market to market and profits, because market to market is not your money, right? It's market money, right? So whenever you book your profit or losses and close your trading terminal for the day, so then only you can consider that you are in profit. Are the most important things, I mean, we can say is that if you, I mean, successfully book profit and after that you successfully, I mean, past your trading hour, Nifty working hour, I mean, after 3:30 if you are in profit, so that is actual profit or loss when, after 3:30. If you are in profit, then only you can consider that you are in profit, and if you are in loss, then you can consider that if you are in loss, you are in loss, right? So that is very much important, right? So try to understand this concept. It's really work well. I mean, the way Nifty is going up, premium is not, I mean, performing. So maybe this is kind of like, as bank Nifty is, I mean, in the sideways zone. So because of that, maybe because from the last almost 145 minutes, bank Nifty is working in the zone. Again, I mean, that situation, and I would like to exit this trade because again and again, I mean, the same momentum is going on. If you see bank Nifty is, I mean, very volatile today and it's not supporting the trade Nifty momentum. That's why Nifty is not performing well. Otherwise, Nifty is working well. Let's see. Let's see for few more minutes if it is favoring our traders going to hit the SL. So almost 10:05 right now, and we can see that still Bank Nifty walking in the range and not supporting Nifty momentum. So that's why there is a lack of momentum in the market. More than 1 hour approx. No, it's more than 40 minutes in the trade, and still struggling to make some profit. This is how market works. So still waiting. Let's see how this market is behaving. So I would like to close in few minutes because it's taking longer time. And whenever you are, so this time you can see that even Nifty is at the almost day high, but premium is not. Responding like. If you see that in the previous candles, it has touched almost 140, and this time it's not behaving like that. So this is how options market work, right? So that is options is really complicated market. So it's very difficult to trade in the options market because of these complications, right? The same point where it's almost all day high, but still premium is not at the day high, right? So this is how options work, and you will find very difficult. Lots of difficulties to trade in the options if you actually trading for the profit. If you are playing with the market, you don't consider your loss, profits, or number of day trades. That is different thing, right? So almost we can see that it's almost at the day high, but still it's not performed. Wait for this. So very close to that, and if this time this don't perform, then of course, I mean definitely this is the sideways market. And looking at the I mean premium momentum, I'm not expecting that this time is even if this will perform. So better to exit this trade and exit the terminal for the day. The why means why market is not I mean getting momentum out of here, because if you see this day high, I mean all time high, lots of see buying were there. The sellers were active at that point. So and buyers don't want to market down. So the conflict is going on. That's a momentum is not market is not getting momentum. So if sellers will not unwind their positions, so it will be very difficult for the market to. You could see my today profit and loss. So almost 2000 rupees. I mean loss even after this. And what was the so first trade? Oh my god! Second trade I have lost almost 1400. So this is where I mean I missed it. This was not correct, right? It's okay. So that's why loss is bigger than I expected, right? So it's okay. So almost one loss recovered here, and it's okay. I mean, it's not compulsory that you will be in profit or market will work according to me and according to I mean individual every day. So if it is market goes favored, even in the 50% as per your plan, so definitely that will help you to be in the profitable. You can see this bank Nifty is completely not supporting the market. That's why this is something I mean. Otherwise, from this point, there will be like wolf higher, right? Because after this much of consolidation, bank Nifty is not supporting, and I don't understand this. Nonsense. I don't. You can see, friends, here even after again, it's I mean getting down from the top of the level that is 38 mark, and if you see Nifty here, it's slowly going up, but Bank Nifty is working in the range. So I would like to wait in this trade, right? So thank you so much. We'll update if it is this trade later on this today.